Rockin' with Possessive Nouns. Welcome to Rockin' with Possessive Nouns, Part 2. Possessive nouns show who or what owns something. Singular possessive nouns have an apostrophe and then an S. If the bone belongs to Moose, it's Moose's bone. If the collar belongs to Penny, it's Penny's collar. If the toy belongs to Hubert, it's Hubert's toy. If the bed belongs to Willie, it's Willie's bed. If the bowl belongs to Luna, it's Luna's bowl. Plural possessive nouns, or nouns that end in S, just have an apostrophe after the S. If the shoe belongs to Mrs. Bell, we'd say that's Miss Bell's shoe. If the camera belongs to Mr. Robbins, we'd say that's Mr. Robbins' camera. If the softball game belongs to the girls, we'd say the girls' softball game. If the barn belongs to the cows, we'd say the cows' barn. Let's practice. See if you can name the possessive nouns. The scooter belongs to my sister, we'd say that's the sister's scooter. The new house belongs to Mrs. Robbins. Mrs. Robbins' house. The scooter belongs to Kai. Kai's scooter. The bone belongs to Bailey. Bailey's bone. The coffee cup belongs to Mrs. Peppers. Mrs. Pepper's cup. The dog belongs to Lauren. Lauren's dogs. The leaves belong to the trees. The tree's leaves. The plants belong to Donna. Donna's plants. The bag belongs to Callie. Callie's bag. The book belongs to my mother. Mother's book. The drum set belongs to Chris. Chris's drum set. The apple belongs to Justin. Justin's apple. The office belongs to the principal. The principal's office. The experiment belongs to the scientist. The scientist's experiment. The blue socks belong to Cameron. Cameron's socks. Thank you for joining me.